There are different opinions and practices on whether babies should sleep alone or not, and the best choice may depend on your baby's age, temperament, health, and your family's situation and preferences. However, some of the possible benefits of having your baby sleep alone are: 1. It may reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, and other sleep-related deaths. The American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, recommends that babies should share a room, but not a bed, with their parents for at least the first 6 months of life, ideally until 12 months. This is because room sharing can make it easier for parents to monitor their baby's breathing, temperature, and position, and to respond quickly if something is wrong. On the other hand, bed sharing can increase the risk of suffocation, strangulation, or overheating for the baby, especially if the parents are smokers, drinkers, or drug users, or if the bed has soft bedding, pillows, or blankets. 2. It may improve the quality and quantity of sleep for both the baby and the parents. A 2017 study suggested that babies who slept in their own rooms after 4 months old slept longer and better than babies who shared a room with their parents. This may be because sleeping alone can reduce the disturbances caused by the parents' movements, noises, or lights, or by the baby's own cries or fussiness. Sleeping alone can also help the baby learn to self-soothe and fall asleep independently, without needing to be rocked, nursed, or cuddled. Better sleep can have positive effects on the baby's physical, cognitive, and emotional development, as well as on the parent's mood, health, and relationship. 3. It may foster a sense of independence and self-reliance in the baby. Sleeping alone can teach the baby to follow rules and boundaries, respect authority, and cooperate with others. It can also help the baby develop a sense of autonomy and confidence in their own abilities. These skills can benefit the baby later in life as they face new challenges and opportunities. Of course, sleeping alone is not the only option for babies, and some parents may prefer to keep their babies close to them for comfort, bonding, or convenience. There is no one right way to put your baby to sleep, as long as you follow some basic safety guidelines and listen to your baby's cues. If you have any questions or concerns about your baby's sleep habits or health, please consult your pediatrician or a qualified professional. Good night. Smile.